Do you ever wonder how your money is losing value over time? It's a phenomenon called inflation, and it's happening right now. The cost of goods and services is rising, and your money is worth less. But what does that mean for you and your financial future? In this video, we're going to break down the basics of inflation and how it will affect you. From the everyday items in your grocery cart to your investments, we'll show you how to protect your purchasing power and make smart financial decisions. Are you ready to learn the truth about inflation and how it will impact your money? Let's get started. As I began to dig deeper into the topic of inflation, I was surprised to learn just how much it can impact our daily lives. I remembered back to when I was a young adult and how much prices for everyday items seemed to increase year after year. I had always just assumed it was the cost of living going up, but now I understand it is the effect of inflation. One of the most significant ways inflation can affect us is through the purchasing power of our money. As prices for goods and services increase, our money buys less and less. This can make it difficult for us to afford the things we need and want. Inflation can also have a significant impact on our investments. As prices rise, the value of fixed income investments like bonds decreases. This can make it harder for us to achieve our financial goals and plan for retirement. But it's not all bad news. Inflation can also have good effects, like helping the economy grow and making jobs available. It's important to understand how inflation works and how it may impact your financial situation so that you can make informed decisions about your money. As I continued my research, I realized that there were several key strategies that we could use to protect ourselves from the negative effects of inflation. I was eager to share these tips with my audience. The first way to deal with inflation is to invest in things like real estate and commodities that tend to go up in value when prices go up. This can provide a hedge against inflation and help preserve your purchasing power. Another option is to buy bonds and other fixed income securities with interest rates that change over time. This way, as inflation rises, so do the interest payments on these bonds, helping to offset the effects of inflation on your investments. Another way to protect yourself from inflation is to keep a portion of your savings in cash or cash equivalents, such as money market funds. These types of investments are not affected by inflation and can act as a buffer during times of rising prices. Finally, it is important to stay informed about inflation trends and government policies that may impact inflation. You can protect yourself from the bad effects of inflation by staying informed and being proactive about how you invest your money. Investing in things that tend to go up in value when prices go up is one of the best ways to protect yourself from inflation. For example, I remember a time when I was a young man just starting out in my career. I had a small amount of savings, and I wasn't sure what to do with it. I knew I needed to invest it in something that would help me build wealth over time, but I didn't know where to start. That's when I met an older gentleman at a networking event who offered me some advice. He told me that he had always invested a portion of his savings in real estate and that it had been a great way to protect his wealth from inflation. He explained that as prices rise, the value of real estate typically goes up as well. He also said that rental properties can be a steady source of income, which can help make up for the effect of prices going up. I was intrigued by this idea, so I decided to do some research of my own. I found that there were many different ways to invest in real estate, from buying a rental property to investing in a real estate investment trust, right? I decided to start small, and I purchased a duplex that I rented out to tenants. Over the years, I've been able to watch my investment grow in value as prices have risen, and I've also enjoyed the benefits of having a steady stream of rental income. I've learned that investing in real estate is just one way to protect your wealth from inflation. There are many other strategies you can use as well, such as investing in precious metals, commodities, or the stocks of companies that are well positioned to benefit from rising prices. But the key is to start somewhere and to be open to new ideas and opportunities. In conclusion, it's important to understand the impact that inflation can have on your financial future and take steps to protect yourself. By diversifying your investments, keeping an emergency fund, and staying informed about changes in the economy, you can be better prepared for the ups and downs of inflation. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your money. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.